Hello, everyone, and welcome. Are you over 50 and starting to feel a little less steady on your feet? Maybe your legs feel weaker, or you've lost some confidence in your walk. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone, and I have some wonderful news for you. It's absolutely possible to regain your strength, improve your balance, and walk with confidence well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through a simple, yet incredibly effective 3-minute daily workout. This routine is specially designed to help you walk safely, build up your leg muscles, and feel more stable every single day. The best part? You don't need any special equipment or a gym membership. You can do these gentle, joint-friendly exercises right in the comfort of your own home. We're going to focus on strengthening the key muscles that protect your balance. Learn 3 simple moves for strong legs and hips, and even cover a quick warm-up that can help prevent falls. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete routine to help you stay active, independent, and pain-free for years to come. So, if you're ready to walk stronger and feel more secure, let's get started. First, let's talk about why walking can become more challenging as we get older. After 50, our bodies naturally begin to lose muscle mass, a process called sarcopenia. This particularly affects the large muscles in our legs and glutes, the very muscles responsible for keeping us upright and stable. Think of them as your body's foundation. When this foundation weakens, our balance can suffer, our stride can shorten, and we might start to feel a bit wobbly. Additionally, our sense of proprioception, which is our body's ability to know where it is in space, can diminish. This makes it harder to react quickly to an uneven surface or a sudden trip. This combination of muscle loss and reduced sensory feedback is why the risk of falls increases. But here's the empowering part. This is not an inevitable decline. Through targeted, consistent exercise, we can actively combat this process, rebuild our strength, and sharpen our body's internal balancing system. It's all about waking up those muscles and reminding them of their important job. All right, it's time for the full 3-minute routine. Find a clear space in your home, perhaps next to a sturdy chair or a countertop for light support if you need it. Remember to listen to your body and only do what feels comfortable. Let's start with a quick warm-up. First, let's do some ankle circles. Sit or stand. Lift one foot slightly and gently rotate your ankle 10 times in one direction and then 10 times in the other. This warms up the joints and improves flexibility. Now, switch to the other foot. Great. Next, we'll do some gentle leg swings. Holding onto your support, swing one leg forward and backward, like a pendulum, for about 30 seconds. Keep the movement controlled and smooth. This helps to open up the hips. Now, let's switch legs and do the same on the other side. Now, for our first main exercise. Heel-to-toe walks. Imagine you're walking on a tightrope. Take 10 slow, deliberate steps forward, placing the heel of your front foot directly in front of the toes of your back foot. Keep your eyes looking forward, not down at your feet. This directly challenges and improves your balance. Once you've done 10 steps, turn around carefully and repeat. Our second exercise is the chair squat. Stand in front of your chair with your feet shoulder-width apart. Slowly lower your hips back and down as if you're about to sit, but stop just before you touch the seat. Hold for a second, then squeeze your glutes and leg muscles to stand back up tall. We'll do this 10 times. This is fantastic for building strength in your quads and glutes, which are your powerhouses for walking and climbing stairs. Our third and final move is the standing leg raise. Holding onto your support, stand tall, and slowly lift one leg straight out to the side, keeping your body upright. Don't lean. Hold for a moment, then slowly bring it back down. Let's do 10 on this side. This strengthens the hip abductor muscles, which are crucial for side-to-side stability and preventing falls. Now, let's switch and do 10 on the other leg. And that's it. That's your 3-minute routine. Doing this daily will make a huge difference. Now that you have the routine, let's talk about how to get the most out of it by maintaining proper posture and balance throughout your day. Good posture isn't just about looking confident. It's fundamental to your stability. Try this right now. Stand up tall, roll your shoulders back and down, and gently engage your core muscles by pulling your belly button in towards your spine. Imagine a string pulling the crown of your head up toward the ceiling. This aligns your spine and centers your gravity, making you instantly more stable. When you're walking, try to maintain this posture. Look ahead, not at the ground. Looking down throws off your center of gravity and actually increases your risk of tripping. Instead, scan the path ahead with your eyes. This allows you to anticipate any obstacles while keeping your head up and your spine aligned. Another simple tip is to be mindful of your feet. Instead of shuffling, focus on lifting your feet with each step and landing on your heel, then rolling through to your toe. This heel-to-toe pattern engages your leg muscles properly and provides a more stable base of support. Practice this consciously during your daily walks, and soon it will become second nature. It's these small mindful adjustments that compound over time to create a much more stable and confident you. Beyond the exercises, taking care of our feet and joints is essential for long-term mobility. After all, they bear our weight with every single step we take. So here are a few bonus tips. First, let's talk about footwear. Ditch the flimsy slippers or worn-out shoes. Invest in a pair of supportive, well-fitting shoes with non-slip soles. Good arch support and a cushioned base can make a world of difference in reducing stress on your feet, ankles, and knees. Second, give your feet some love. At the end of the day, try rolling a tennis ball under each foot for a few minutes. This can help release tension in the plantar fascia and soothe tired arches. Simple foot stretches like pointing and flexing your toes can also improve circulation and flexibility. For your joints, staying hydrated is key. Water helps lubricate your joints, so make sure you're drinking plenty of it throughout the day. Also, a balanced diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods like leafy greens, berries, and fish can help manage joint stiffness. Remember, our bodies are interconnected systems. Happy feet and happy joints lead to happier, more confident walking. It's all part of the holistic approach to staying active and pain-free. I want to leave you with a little bit of motivation. I know that starting a new routine can sometimes feel like a challenge, but remember your why. Why do you want to stay mobile and strong? Is it to keep up with your grandchildren? To continue enjoying your favorite hobbies like gardening or traveling? Is it simply for the freedom and independence to go where you want, when you want? Hold that vision in your mind. This 3-minute routine isn't a chore. It's a daily gift you give to your future self. It's 3 minutes dedicated to ensuring you can live a full, active, and vibrant life for decades to come. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for consistency. Even on days when you don't feel like it, just do 1 or 2 of the exercises. Small, consistent efforts create incredible momentum. You are capable, you are strong, and you have the power to improve your health every single day. Celebrate every small victory, the day you feel a little steadier, the moment you realize you walked up a curb without thinking twice. You've got this. Keep moving, keep smiling, and keep living your life to the fullest. Thank you so much for joining me today. I truly hope you found this routine helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more senior health tips to help you live well. We'd love to have you as part of our community. Stay safe, stay active, and we'll see you in the next video.